2025 Honda CRF1100L Africa Twin with superior features. A full digital panel meter display with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay features with Bluetooth connection is presented to make it easier for drivers. TO integrate only via smartphone. The advanced features on this adventure sports motorbike also support riders in long-distance touring. The full digital panel meter, which is a 6.5-inch TFT touchscreen, displays complete information such as riding mode, air temperature, speed, and many other information that can be adjusted by the rider himself. The cruise control feature embedded in this model also provides a sense of comfort for the driver while enjoying the trip. The DCT feature on this model is equipped with two modes. Namely, Mode D offers the best balance between fuel consumption and driving comfort, while S mode provides additional sports performance. More information.